Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to share a few more birthday gifts in this video. I think I'm going to break it up into two parts. So let's do the Louis Vuitton pieces first. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys isn't actually my gift. It is my husband's, and I already gave it to him. This is the monogram business card holder in the monogram eclipse, you guys. So this is my husband's birthday gift from me to him, and I absolutely love this piece, you guys. Now I am a little worried about him having a piece with a button snap, because I don't know, he's a man, he's kind of rough, and I don't think he's ever had a snap closure wallet before. But as you can see, this piece was made in Paris. It has the black leather interior with a little bit of the additional monogram down here. Now, he did have it set up where he had his driver's license here and then his credit cards down here. And I like that it has a back pocket here. I hope the light is catching that for y'all. But it does have a pocket here if you'd like to put in some cash. So I think this is going to be a great versatile piece. This is his first Louis Vuitton SLG. I have purchased him a few pieces from Gucci, but this is his very first Louis Vuitton SLG. Now he was a little worried because the way that they had it packed, they did have a thin piece of styrofoam inside of this pocket, of course, for it to keep its shape, you know, during shipment. But it is good. I checked it out thoroughly. I like the glazing on it. I think the glazing looks good. I didn't see any issues with the glazing, because the last piece that I purchased online, I didn't like the glazing on my Victorine, but I didn't want to keep a piece that the glazing was too thin in a particular area and would, you know, eventually just like crack sooner than it should. So this is the first piece that I picked up from him. Like I said, it is the monogram eclipse, and I think it is gorgeous. So I really hope he enjoys it. He likes it so far. The card holder with the styrofoam in it had him a little worried. He's gotten used to having a slimmer profile in his pocket, so he was worried that it was going to be too bulky. But without it, as you can see, it flattens out very nicely. So I'm glad that he likes it, and I buy him this kind of stuff because he'll never buy it for himself. He just thinks it's ridiculous, but he likes to have it. So that is the first piece. Now I'm going to go ahead and, of course, here's the box, you guys. Here's the envelope with your receipt and return information if needed. And then this piece, you guys. So I've been stalking it on Instagram, and I don't know whose channel I saw it on first or whose page I saw it on first. Here's the packaging. I love this holiday packaging. Okay, you guys, I'm back. My camera died, so I just switched to recording on my phone. So I hope there's no big difference in the camera quality. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. So this is my gift to myself. And I think I was explaining to you guys how this card is so, it's thick. It's definitely something that I would hold on to, and I love the packaging. I think Louis Vuitton did a really beautiful job with the packaging. So if you are looking to order something as a holiday gift right now, the packaging, know that it's going to be prettier than usual with the ribbon and that little package tag. So of course, here's the box. And let's go ahead and get into it. I'm so excited. I've been holding this for a couple of days so I can record this and share this with y'all. So I'm glad to be able to finally get into it. And I'm gonna just stop running my mouth and take a look at it. Y'all can see it before I do. Ooh, look at this. So you guys, this is the Kirigami card holder, and I picked it up in what color? Who can guess? Who can guess? If you've been on the website and been stalking these come in about 4 or 5 colors. And of course, ta-da, I picked up the pink. This is called Pondicherry Pink, and that is absolutely beautiful. I love this color. And of course, it features a pull-out card case, and I can see where it has a good amount of space in it. And so of course, here is the product information. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this shade of pink. Here is the little tag that came with it. And this is a very kind of like, it feels a little bit thinner. It's a little flexible canvas, but this is really pretty. And then of course it does have silver hardware. So I believe the traditional Kirigami sets do have gold hardware. And then it also has silver writing on the inside. And my piece says that it was made in Italy. Here is the pink on the inside of the Kirigami card case. And this is my Charlotte pencil case. I do not remember the name of the pink on the inside of this, but this is what it looks like on the inside. Let me get those tags out the way. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is a beautiful bright pink, but as you can see, the pink on the inside of these, they are different. I would say this one is darker and a bit more red in undertone. And this one is definitely a brighter shade of pink. So I believe this is from this year's Color Mania collection. And this may have been part of last year's Color Mania. I absolutely love this Charlotte pencil case. I don't think I've ever done like a full standalone review on this. If you guys would like a standalone review, let me know. But this pencil case does surprisingly hold a ton of pens and pencils. I would say at least 10 to 12. Surprisingly, it holds almost as much as the Coach pencil cases for reference, okay? So I have a stack of gift cards right here, cards here, and I'm sure just by the way that this, just the flexibility of this, I'm sure 11 cards will fit in here. Yeah, so all 11 cards fit in there with absolutely no problem. Closes up with no problem, and that is just so stinking cute. Now honestly, you guys, for the most part on any given day, I only carry about 11, I'm sorry, I only carry like 5 or 6 cards with me. So how I would probably set this up, I would probably put my most used cards in here, so like maybe my ID and my most used credit card in here, and then I would put the rest all in here. So I just stuck 3 cards in here, as you can see. So 3 cards right there, and then so I have 8 right here, just doing some quick math in my head. And let's see if all 11 cards will fit with the card case too. So it is a bit of a tight squeeze, you guys, but it will hold all 11 cards, with 3 being inside the card case, and it snaps closed with no problem. It is tight and it is bulging a little bit, but this little piece is absolutely adorable. I love pieces where Louis Vuitton is giving you value for your money. Enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Please excuse my technical difficulties. Give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you have not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, YouTube.